Right now, February 2026 is closer than you think, and most people will reach it the same way they reached every year before. Tired, behind, still saying, next month I'll start. But you don't have to be one of them, because if you do these 6 things before February 2026, your money, mindset, and direction will look completely different. Not perfect, just finally moving forward. Let's talk about what actually matters. Number 1, fix your money awareness. The first thing you must do is simple. Stop guessing where your money goes. Most people don't have a spending problem. They have an awareness problem. They swipe, they subscribe, they order, and then wonder why they feel broke. Before February 2026, you need one habit: track your money. Not forever, not obsessively, just long enough to see the truth. Because once you see the numbers, you stop lying to yourself, and that alone changes behavior. Number 2, build one extra income skill. Relying on one paycheck in 2026 is risky, not because you're lazy, because the world is changing fast. Before February 2026, commit to learning one income skill. It doesn't have to be complicated. Editing, writing, sales, digital tools, online services. One skill that can make money outside your job. Not to quit everything, but to create options. Options reduce stress. Options create freedom. Number 3, fix your sleep and energy. You cannot build wealth while exhausted. You can't think clearly, you can't stay consistent, you can't show up daily. Before February 2026, stop treating sleep like a luxury. Fix your bedtime, lower screen time at night, protect your mornings. Energy is the real currency. When your energy improves, everything else becomes easier. Number 4, clean your environment. Your environment is silently controlling you. Your phone notifications, your messy room, your constant distractions. Before February 2026, simplify. Unfollow what drains you. Clean your workspace. Reduce digital noise. Because focus is rare now, and people who can focus win quietly. Number 5, build one small daily habit. Not 10 habits, not extreme routines, just one. 10 minutes of learning, daily walking, reading, journaling, skill practice. Consistency beats intensity. By February 2026, that small habit becomes identity. You don't try anymore, you just do. Number 6, decide who you're becoming. This one is uncomfortable. Most people drift through life. They react, they adjust, they survive. Before February 2026, make a decision. Who are you becoming? Not what you want, who you are choosing to be. More disciplined, more intentional, more focused, because your future is built by identity, not motivation. Here's the truth. You don't need to change everything this week. You just need to start. One habit, one decision, one small shift. And if you stay consistent until February 2026, you won't recognize your old self. Not because life became easy, but because you became stronger. Start today. Not perfectly, just honestly.